DFW DJ School here to let you know what's going on with the new DJ Spotify integration. What DJs need to know. Let's go. The algorithm released DJ version 5.4.3, which restores the Spotify integration with Mac OS and Windows. With a Spotify premium account, DJs can now browse their personal playlists, Spotify's editorial playlist, and full Spotify catalog inside of DJ. The integration includes support for Automix, letting Spotify playlists play with beat match transitions automatically. There are important limitations. Currently, Spotify support is desktop only, Mac OS and Windows. The mobile apps, iOS and Android, do not yet support the Spotify integration. I guess that'll be coming soon. Some features are restricted when using Spotify tracks, i.e. stems, what they call neural mix. Offline playback or full hardware integration might have limitations as well. In the community forums, people note that integration is region-based. Not all countries have access to it yet, so this is still a work in progress. To sum it up, Spotify is changing the DJ game. Your client, your bride, can now give you their Spotify playlist that they've worked on at home on their cell phone at lunch or during office hours. And they can simply give you the link and you can load it directly into your Spotify in DJ and have all your requests right there at your fingertips. This is the game changer. DFW DJ School, let's go.